Geography. The Earth in the solar system. Stars, galaxies, and constellations. Stars. There are numerous heavenly or celestial bodies in the sky, which may be stars, planets, or moons. These are very distant from the Earth. Stars are the most plentiful and brightest objects in the visible universe. They are composed of hot gases which burn, thus emitting large amount of heat. Stars have particularly huge gravitational pull, thus causing attraction of other bodies towards themselves. In fact, any heavenly body that produces its own light and heat is called a star. The nearest star to the Earth is the Sun, which is the center of our solar system. The Sun is the source of most of the energy on Earth. Constellations. Sometimes stars appear in groups. The groups of celestial bodies, usually stars, which appear to form a pattern in the sky, is called a constellations. The Ursa Major or the Great Bear is a constellation that is visible in the northern hemisphere throughout the year. This constellation is also known as Saptarishi in Hindi, which means a cluster of 7 stars. The Saptarishi constellation is used to find out the pole star, which indicates the northern direction, as it always remains in this position. It was used extensively for navigation during the days before invention of electronic equipment for this purpose. Galaxies. A galaxy is a large cluster of stars, gas, and dust that constitute the universe. Each galaxy is comprised of billions of stars, and there are billions of such galaxies in the universe. The universe is comprised of all the stars, constellations, and galaxies. Our solar system consists of the Sun and the 9 planets. It is a part of the galaxy known as the Milky Way or Akash Ganga, Hindi. In order to observe the heavens more clearly, stars are grouped into constellations, and these constellations derive their names from mythological figures. For example, some of the southern constellations are Phoenix, Libra, and Virgo. Till today, nearly 88 constellations have been identified and are used in modern astronomy. The names and boundaries of these constellations are assigned by the International Astronomical Union or the IAU. Solar System. Solar System. New rules for the classification of celestial bodies have been framed by the International Astronomical Union IAU. The definition of planet, set in 2006 by the International Astronomical Union IAU, states that in the solar system, a planet is a celestial body that is in orbit around the Sun, has sufficient mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium or the nearly round shape, and has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Celestial bodies are now grouped into 3. They are planets, dwarf planets, and smaller solar system bodies. The planets include planets orbit, spin, moons. Mercury, 88 days, 59 days. Venus, 255 days, 243 days. Earth, 365 days, 1 day, 1. Mars, 687 days, 1 day, 2. Jupiter, 11 years, 11 months, 9 hours, 56 minutes, 63. Saturn, 29 years, 5 months, 10 hours, 40 minutes, about 49. Uranus, 84 years, 17 hours, 14 minutes, about 27. Neptune, 164 years, 16 hours, 7 minutes, 13. Pluto and the smaller planets, known as the planetoids, comprise the dwarf planets. Since the oblong orbit of Pluto overlaps with the orbit of Neptune, the former is not considered as a planet. The asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and other natural satellites comprise the smaller solar system bodies. Almost every year, new moons of planets are being discovered, but their recognition is subject to confirmation by the IAU on the basis of their composition or in the order of their distance from the Sun. Planets are classified into inner and outer planets. The Earth in the solar system. The Earth in the solar system. Based on the distance from the Sun, the Earth occupies the third place. The climate on the Earth is just right for life, being neither too hot nor too cold. The Earth is the only place in the universe where life is known to exist. The Earth is spherically shaped. It is flattened slightly at the poles and bulged at the equator, giving the Earth the shape that is also known as geoid. The Earth has been referred to as the blue planet due to the abundant water on its surface. That is, 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The Earth is protected by an atmospheric shield which protects it from the harmful ultraviolet radiation emitted by the Sun. This shield is also rich in oxygen. The energy that rises from the interior of the Earth is emitted by the Earth. The solar radiation, which the Earth receives from the Sun, is reflected back in the form of terrestrial radiation. The balance of this energy is maintained by the Earth. The Moon, the only natural satellite that the Earth has, is the Moon, which is at a distance of 376,275 km from the Earth. The diameter of the Moon is roughly 1/4 of the Earth. The Moon's light takes only 1¼ seconds to reach the Earth, while sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. The Moon is devoid of air, water, and atmosphere. The Moon takes about 27 days to complete one revolution around the Earth, and this is the same time that it takes to complete one spin on its axis or one rotation. So, we can see only one side of the Moon on the Earth. On July 20th, 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong created history when he first set foot on the moon. Space vehicles have helped man to travel into space. These space vehicles and satellites are launched into space with the help of rockets. The uses of satellites are manifold. They gather weather-related or meteorological data. They are useful for communication and they serve many other purposes. India has many satellites in spaces. Some of them are INSAT, IRS and EduSat. In some cases, these space vehicles fall back to the earth. They get burnt up and are destroyed in the atmosphere itself due to friction. As a result, very few pieces actually reach the earth's surface. Facts about the Earth. Life. Earth is the only planet in the solar system to support life. Equatorial circumference 40,066 km. Polar circumference 39,992 km. Diameter 12.756 km. Across the equator 12,713.8 km. Across the poles. Surface area 510 million square kilometer. Moon 1. Average distance from Sun 149.8 million kilometer. Highest surface temperature recorded till date 58 degrees Celsius at Libya. Al Azia. Lowest recorded temperature till date minus 89.4 degrees Celsius at Antarctica. Vostok Station.